All right. Item 4, consider approval for the fleet management to issue purchase orders for Mesa County's 2026 scheduled replacement vehicles and equipment to qualified vendors utilizing approved cooperative purchasing programs in the amount not to exceed the 2026 approved vehicle and equipment capital replacement budget. This is at $2,391,411, and Eric Brown, Fleet Director, to present this morning.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, Commissioners. Eric Brown, Fleet Director for Mesa County. Today I'm requesting approval for Fleet Management to issue purchase orders to our qualified vendors for the quotes that we got for vehicles and equipment to replace what we had on our replacement schedule for 2026. The total of the 21 pieces of equipment and vehicles will be less than the $2,391,411. But I guess all these vehicles and equipment also will have met the requirements for replacement and will be salvaged through local auctions. So with that, I guess I'm open for any questions.
Commissioner Daniel, do you have any questions or comments on this item?
I have no questions. Thank you.
I think it's pretty straightforward. I don't have any questions or comments on this item either, Eric. Does anybody in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve this item as published.
So moved.
Second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 2-0. Thank you, Eric.